Today we're going to show you about how to start a new session and manage your sessions. In your home space, you can click on the Start New Session. In this new session starting page, you can choose all the options available here. First one, AI is going to choose the server type. We have SciPy, Deep Learning, NLP, R, Spark, and Python PHP, MySQL PHP handling. And also for Windows notebooks, you can choose the original Jupyter notebook, and we can choose Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is a next generation of the Jupyter notebook. It puts all the pages and the tabs into one browser, so it is much convenient to operate. It's a little bit like R Studio for Python. And what it also allows you to put what's the available data for you to amount. So when you amount into a data set, it will connect this data into the data set folder for you. I'm going to show you a bit later. And also there are some other options, advanced options. Let's just start with a very simple one without changing anything. Let's see. In this start, it brings you to a Jupyter notebook. It has the work folder for you. It is your home folder. It has water projects and file for you. Then they are permanently saved in your backend. So no matter what kind of changes you create in this session, is permanent. It is going to be protected and saved. You can also create a new here. The other way is we go up here. The up folder. Anything you create here is as testing. It will not be saved. Let's see, we create a new Python string folder. Okay, this is a very simple testing. We go back to lab, and we can rename. We can rename the node here as a test. And if you want to leave the workspace, you can shut down the notebook. And of course, you can delete it, move, and duplicate. What I'm trying to show you here is how you can manage this session. Let's see if we create one of those tabs. Choose leave, choose refresh. So here is the default server. Means the session we just created about a few minutes ago. We just go to. Let's see. We can see the test Python board, which is the one we just created. We don't see anything here is because I think we didn't save anything. See if we can do it again. We need to save and close. And do it over again. Go to here. Okay. So this is what it reminded us. Although the Python notebook automatically saves some word for you, but it's not everything. Sometimes, especially when you close your notebook, you need to save it. And what if we refresh, see it's becoming 9 minutes. So there are two buttons here: is go to and stop. So this is a quick version, is a shortcuts. Those are two common things you will be used. But if you go to the sessions, you can see there are many more sessions that have been run, and what this is a running session. We're going to choose the default setting, see the details. Because we're going to show you the status, how long it has been running, whether it is finished or not, and what are the dark image information by using SciPy notebook. Logs. Here are the logs information that has been tracking your code. Sometimes you want to debug your program. Maybe this logs will be useful. Stats is how much CPU and memory you have been used. The outputs. Outputs is empty here because we can save anything. And what here the tags. The tag is a series of tests. Discussion. So the tags and the discussion is for you to easily manage your workspace. So tag is you have to run multiple sessions. You can put a tag there to track what it has been run. And it is easier for you to look back. And then discussion is you may take some notes for this session. And especially for some discussion between you and your co-workers. Right now we're going to stop the session. I will stop the learning server. Yes. It takes about a few seconds. After refresh, the session is gone. Become the latest one. This is the one here. Then it's finished at this time. So this is about the session and how we can manage our session.